Today we will discuss about Kaizen. Kaizen or continuous improvement. Contents are: Introduction to Kaizen. The dual nature of Kaizen. Kaizen events. Kaizen philosophy. PDCA cycle. OEE overall equipment effectiveness. What is Kaizen? Content. Definition of Kaizen. Kaizen continuous improvement is a strategy where employees at all levels of a company work together proactively to achieve regular, incremental improvements to the manufacturing process. In a sense, it combines the collective talents within a company to create a powerful engine for improvement. Kaizen originated in Japan. Kaizen comes from two Japanese words, kai meaning change and zen meaning good. The dual nature of Kaizen. Kaizen as an action plan. Kaizen is about organizing events focused on improving specific areas within the company. These events involve teams of employees at all levels, with an especially strong emphasis on involving plant floor employees. Kaizen as a philosophy. Kaizen is about building a culture where all employees are actively engaged in suggesting and implementing improvements to the company. In truly lean companies, it becomes a natural way of thinking for both managers and plant floor employees. Kaizen works hand in hand with standardized work. Standardized work captures the current best practices for a process, and Kaizen aims to find improvements for those processes. Note the emphasis on current, standardized work is living documentation. It continually evolves through Kaizen. Kaizen is part action plan and part philosophy. Consistent application of Kaizen as an action plan develops Kaizen as a philosophy. Kaizen events. A typical Kaizen event goes something like this. Set goals and provide any necessary background. Review the current state and develop a plan for improvements. Implement improvements. Review and fix what doesn't work. Report results and determine any follow-up items. Kaizen philosophy. Building a culture of continuous improvement. Involvement of all employees. Shifting mindset towards improvement. Interestingly, Kaizen as an action plan is exactly what develops Kaizen as a philosophy. When Kaizen is applied as an action plan through a consistent and sustained program of successful Kaizen events, it teaches employees to think differently about their work. In other words, consistent application of Kaizen as an action plan creates tremendous long-term value by developing the culture that is needed for truly effective continuous improvement. PDCA cycle. This type of cycle is frequently referred to as PDCA, plan, do, check and act. PDCA brings a scientific approach to making improvements. Plan, develop a hypothesis. Do, run experiment. Check, evaluate results. Act, refine your experiment, then start a new cycle. Benefits of Kaizen. Improved efficiency. Kaizen focuses on eliminating waste, reducing non-value-added activities, and streamlining processes. This leads to improved workflow and resource utilization. Employees, through continuous improvement activities, identify and implement solutions that make their work more efficient. Increased quality. Kaizen promotes a culture of quality and a commitment to delivering the best possible product or service. Through constant monitoring and improvement, defects and errors are reduced, resulting in higher product and service quality. Cost reduction. By eliminating waste and inefficiencies, Kaizen helps in reducing operational costs. Continuous improvement activities often lead to cost-saving ideas, such as using resources more efficiently and reducing rework. Employee engagement. Kaizen encourages involvement and engagement of all employees at all levels of an organization. Employees feel a sense of ownership and contribution to the company's success, which leads to increased job satisfaction and motivation. Competitive advantage. Organizations that embrace Kaizen are better equipped to respond to changing market conditions and customer demands. Kaizen fosters innovation and adaptability, which can give a company a competitive edge in its industry. How to fill a simple Kaizen format in Excel. Here it is a sample Kaizen Excel format. Put Kaizen serial number as per your Kaizen control register with date. Before state should be clearly described. Insert before state photo here. After state should be clearly described. Insert after modification state photo here. Put tick mark. Kaizen related to quality or cost saving, delivery or efficiency or waste or safety or energy or morale or other. Here you can put mark Kaizen related to more than one. Put name of originated person. Write name of person who validates the Kaizen. Write name of person who gave final approval. Now your Kaizen report is ready. In summary, Kaizen provides a holistic approach to continuous improvement where every member of the organization plays a role in identifying and addressing inefficiencies and quality issues. By doing so, companies can optimize their operations, reduce costs, enhance the quality of their products or services, and ultimately gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Employee engagement is a key driver of Kaizen, as it empowers individuals to contribute their insights and efforts toward